head of house, and now they win the immunity for themselves, so they can actually do what they want to do in that house. So they chose checkers to be their guests in the head of house lounge, and this was not going well with Sooj. So she actually was explaining to Onyeka's sister, which is Chizoba, the reason why she made that choice. Because assuming she had chosen aces, which is Sooj and Tofa, this guy, Mayor Fresh, will now take it personal. Do you understand? So she's just trying to be, in her words, she doesn't want emotions to be involved. Rather, she just wants to be logical and politically about it, because this is a house full of games. So that's why she made that decision. And yeah, if I were her, that's what I'm going to do, so that I will balance the equation. I just picked random person that they weren't expecting, but Such wasn't having it. And Chizoba also saw reasons why she did what she did and told her that you did the right thing. Do you understand? Meanwhile, Suj was not having it. He even had to complain to Onyeka, and they were having conversations. So Onyeka was like that she thought they are going to pick you guys, because obviously Nelly has something to do with Suj, and Tofa has something to do with Anita. So by the end of the day, they had to pick them. Reason is for her own sanity in the house, to avoid war. And I understand now. Although Nelly tried having conversation with Suj to give an explanation why she did what she did. You understand? But I don't think whatever her explanation is, Suj is willing to listen. You be like, okay, you don't do your own. You, one, me, zero. Waiting for his own turn. Do you understand? So, I think during the head of house activities this morning, Nelita, they gave Chinwe and Ruth work to do. Imagine when you're two people that were having conversation and you were calling someone's butt hanging yash, and then you people had conversation about somebody, and now they are in the position to, do whatever they want to do. What choice do you have? But at this point, I know as women, even if it means going out of the game, they will keep the beef. I know women. Do you understand? But guys, how do you even think about this thing? How these girls were lucky to win head of house and immunity. Congratulations to them once again anyway. So if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. And don't forget to check back again for the next gist. And don't forget to also drop your comments so that we'll communicate more. Bye.